Do this on the 1st of January, and the new year 2024 will be the best year ever for you. Hi, you're welcome back to our channel Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. And today I'm going to be showing you a recipe that you can do on the 1st of January, being the first day in the new year. This one is very simple and you don't need to run eta-sketa. I know everybody is thinking of doing crossover and the rest, but like I always tell you, spirituality is the way to go, because your spiritual life determines the physical. So apart from thinking of going for crossover night, you should do this. I'm not saying you should do it, because it's going to make the new year 2024 the best year ever for you, and you are going to thank me for the rest of your life. What are the ingredients we are going to be using? Number one, we are going to be using original honey. Number two, you are going to be needing a bucket full of water. Number three, you are going to be needing a table salt. Then lastly, you are going to be needing one big coconut. Now, before I tell you how to use these things, these are little things you need to know. Number one, when we talk of honey, I'm talking about original honey. This one, if you don't have original honey, it might not work, because original honey is the best. You can get original honey anywhere. If you go to the market, tell them you need original honey. It might be at a price higher than the normal, but they will give you original honey. You might need to pay more, but it will be the original honey. Then number two, you are using table salt. Table salt, not I'm not talking about sea salt. I'm talking about table salt, or what you call cooking salt. Then the third one, you are using coconut. Coconut. And the coconut we are talking about is the water inside the coconut that you need. You need the water inside the coconut. Then you need your bucket full of water. Then the last thing, but this one is optional. If you can have rainwater, you can use it. That's optional, but it's not compulsory. So you need 5 things now. So let's get into how to prepare it. If you want to prepare this, just get your bucket full of water. Get the bucket full of water, then 1 spoon of original honey, just 1 tablespoon, 1 big spoon. Just get that one and put in the water. That's the first thing. Then you get 1 tablespoon of cooking salt, you put inside it. Then you now get the coconut that you bought, 1 big coconut. You are not going to break the coconut to get the water out of it. What you are going to do is you get a very sharp object. There is an eye of the coconut. I'm going to be showing you that here. There is an eye, 3 eyes of the coconut. Just look for one of the eyes that is very soft and use that sharp object to open it. Once you open it, get the water from the coconut inside the bathing water. And like I said, if you get rainwater in the house, just put into the water and just stir it very well. Stir it together. While stirring it, you want to pray for goodness in the new year. Open doors, good things that you want to happen to you in the new year. Your new year is going to be very, very smooth and rosy. You'll be surprised yourself, because things will work out. Anything, all your hustles in 2024 will be very fruitful. you'll be very successful in 2024. This is even very good for those who in 2023 were not able to achieve much, or maybe they've been looking for something, they couldn't get it. If you use this on the first day of 2024, that's the January 1st, then the 2024 is going to be the best year of your life ever. Apart from the ones you'll be living, this 2024 is going to be the best ever. Now, how do you use it? Once you have the water and all the mixtures and you mix them, you've prayed very well, you are going to be using it to take your bath. And taking your bath, it can be anytime. The first tip, you can use it around anything from 12:01, 12:02. You can use it from 12:01, 2. But if you are the church going type, then after church you can use it. You can use it to bath in the morning, but make sure that is the first bath that you are going to have for that day. You can use it early in the morning, you can use it in the afternoon, then you can use it in the evening before 12. Because once it is 12, you have crossed to the other day, and that will be second. So you want to use it on the first, and make sure it's your first bath of that day. Don't use anything to bath on that day except this. It's as simple as that. Once you use it to bath, then be rest assured that 2024 is going to be a very wonderful year, very successful year for you. Anything that you do is going to be very successful. You have breakthroughs. You have been looking for suitors, you have been looking for job, you have been wanting to travel, you are looking for visa, you're looking for jobs, promotions and the rest. 2024, you get more than what you desire. If you can use this recipe. This is a very new recipe that is very sharp. I've been doing some recipes every year, but it's not as detailed as this. This one is the new improved New Year recipe. And if you can do it, then you'll be very surprised. You continue to thank me for the rest of your life. This is a no-brainer. It works. It has never failed to work. And it's now fortified. It's now getting better, stronger than before. So it will continue to work. For those who have been doing it before, you know it works. There are testimonies to this. And for those who want to use it now, then I'm already telling you congratulations, because 2024 is going to be the best year ever for you. If you watch this video and you really like it, consider subscribing. Subscribe, share, then go to the comment and leave your comment. Go and thank me in the comment. Give me time. Just tell me thank you for giving us this. Or just give your comment. What do you want how do you want your 2024 to look like? Go to the comment and write it. And you share this video to others. Don't be stingy. Share it to others. Let them enjoy what you are enjoying. And if you really desire to know more, then I will link this playlist here for you. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent. And don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.